Hello my lovely dear friends. If you want to improve your English, here on my channel I upload conversational videos as well as some solo videos where I try to impart my knowledge related to English. If you want to improve your English, it is not a big deal. You do have the smartphone now, just you must have the right mindset and willingness to learn the things. Try to immerse yourself with this language. Listen to good contents every day. Try to practice with yourself. Try to surround yourself with the English language. Slowly and gradually, it will become your habit. You will be able to understand this language and you will feel confident enough to talk to anyone. English has become global language. If you are able to speak in English, definitely you can connect to different people, not only from different states, even you will be able to talk to people from different countries. It will become easy for you to get a job, to get a promotion, and if you want to do a job with MNCs, the door will be opened for you. So today I am going to share some of the vocabulary where one letter is silent. We mispronounce those words because we at first spell the word, then we pronounce. So I am going to share some of the vocabulary. I hope that definitely this will help you. The first one is thumb. It is not thumb, it is thumb. B is silent here. Comb, comb, comb. It is not comb, it is comb. Climb, climb. Plumber, plumber. Tomb, subtle, subtle. Dead. It is not dead, it is dead. Climber, climber. Honest, honest. Hour or hour, but not hour. Honor or honor, but not honor. Exhaust, exhaust. Vehicle, vehicle, not vehicle, vehicle. Receipt, not receipt. P is silent here. Receipt. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you like, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.